Inside-the-box applications for spaceflight, thermal vacuum, microwave tests, and other commercial and military applications often have limited space and are tightly packed to reduce overall volume. This poses a challenge for RF connections. Amphenol times microwave systems InstaBend 047 flexible microwave assemblies, available from Mouser Electronics, provide a flexible coaxial assembly that can tolerate tight bends behind the connector, enabling a minimal footprint, simplifying cable routing, and eliminating the need for cable protection behind the connector. They also feature a lightweight construction. The high-performance cable assemblies cover frequencies up to 50 GHz. They're readily available in a variety of standard configurations including SMP female, SMA male, and 2.92mm male connectors, including mixed connector options. The cable assemblies have a nominal 50 ohm impedance and offer low insertion losses. They can operate from -65 to +125 degrees Celsius.